scrap that down a bit further. So this looks a bit more like a power board. The other one must be the control board. The boards are very low grade. I don't think anyone would pay for these kind of boards. PCB board recyclers. There's just not enough etchings. There's not enough even base metal components on it. It's plastic. It's really just plastic. So I'll break this down a bit further when I get to cable. The motor. Okay, so I'm just crimping to remove the last of the looks like I pulled out the copper with that one. The brass maybe. Okay, so switches. Always comes with 3 switches, a microwave. Never tried to do anything with them, but I'm sure you can get extremely low value from it. What's going on here? Doesn't seem to have a way to get it out. Okay, and see, there you go. If you want to look inside, there's just brass and copper, very minimal amounts, but you can break them down and get extra. Alright, so we've got most of the real components out now. It's just separating magnetron from the scrap steel. It doesn't weigh anything. Let's go with the magnetron seems to have a screw that won't release. So I'm having a look, and on the bottom there is one screw, so we might be able to take it out. Otherwise it's just a bash it out kind of thing. waxing by hand. Got nothing better to do with an afternoon? Do this. Bit of a workout. Physical activity, hand-eye coordination. Sort of earn a treat after it. Bit filthy. Synchronous motors. If you've got 10 minutes to spare, you should scrap that. You'll get next to nothing for the motor, but you'll get a bit more if you just scrap it. You got pressing steel and copper and plastic inside. So it's very worth your time to scrap those. It's a whole little microwave. Good idea to get rid of it after that. I wonder what was going on with the microwave once it's rusted through. I hope they won't stop using it. That probably is one of the worst things you can do. Okay. Now we're cooking. Well, probably not. Finally got that bolt over it. I have to clean my tools after this. There's oil everywhere. Right, so this doesn't seem to want to come off, but no use scrapping that down further. It's there's just magnets and what seems like tin or aluminium in there. It's lightweight. It's just not worth scrapping, really. Some people say it's radioactive materials in the magnetron, but you know, until they can prove it. Just got more scrap steel. This little bit here, you can doesn't want to come out, so we'll just lose that little bit of extra brass. funny, the cheapest microwave has the easiest door to remove. Wow, that's usually painful. Just can't really do much about it. The door, that's rubbish. Great, fantastic. Alright. I'll just do a parts calculation then. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Just in clean. Wire. In transformer. In magnetron. In capacitor. In card. One piece of scrap. Another piece of scrap. Another piece of scrap.
So in total we have 400 grams or 0.88 pounds of clean steel, 51 grams or 0.11 pounds of number 2 wire, 4.2 kilograms or 9.25 pound of scrap metals, 3.3 kilograms or 7.27 pound of clean pressing steel, 36 grams or 0.08 pound of pure copper, 143 grams or 0.3 pound of insulated cable. Pretty good.